Hello you guys, I'm outside so you may hear a lot of noise. I just wanted to show you some of my progress, and in the last video I did forget to show you I do have lights up. So I have lights and I have a fan. Okay, I did hang the lights kind of in an awkward shape. One of the reasons that I did it that way is because I did want to hang curtains in here, and as you can see the shades go up very high, so I didn't want the lights coming around the shades and then I wouldn't be able to take my curtains in front of the lights in the shades. So I do want to put some curtains up, but I will like to put the curtains where the bracket comes out and go in front of the shade. So hopefully I can find some that will work for that. Also today I will be showing you, so I have here, these are just some removable hooks. I purchased these hooks from the Dollar Tree because I did want to hang my bowls. I was telling you about, I call them plates, bowls. Everybody may call them something different. So this particular one I did get from Amazon. Okay, let's see. I forgot the name of it, but that's the one that I got from Amazon. And these two hanging bowls, this one is a black one, and then I have a white one. And this is actually made of banana leaf. I have a chair that's made of the same thing. So these are my banana leaf bowls that I will be hanging. So I just wanted you to see. I already prepped the wall. I didn't want to try to put nails in the wall, so I have those removable hooks, and hopefully they will hold. They say they only hold up to like 3 pounds, so we'll see if they'll hold these items. If not, I have to go back to the drawing board because I prefer to do it that way instead of trying to put nails in the wall. So let's see if we can get this on the wall. Okay, here they are. I did get my decorative bowls up on the wall. The removable hooks did not work initially, and so I had to figure out what I could do. I tried Velcro in it. I tried just putting it up, you know, trying to do it a little harder with the removable hooks with nails. I tried everything without putting the nails in the brick. So my fiance said, why don't you try super gluing the removable hooks to the brick? Because it wasn't sticking to the brick at first. So it worked. I super glued the back of the removable hooks, the part that's the gel part that sticks to the wall. I super glued it, and then I was able to get my bowls up. I also had another bowl. I did not like the way that it looked with these. I just felt like it was conflicting design. This is the other bowl. So I didn't like that one. I'm going to return that one. Now I had another one that looked like that one that I was returning. So I'm just going to leave those two up. And I like those. The rug, I don't know what it's called, but the rug is not in the right place. So I do have to move it over anyway. It's not centered. As you can see, it's not centered, and it needs to be centered in between the chairs. And I believe it needs to come down anyway. I just already had that nail up there, so I just used the nail that I currently had up there, and I just wanted to see what it was going to look like, you know, hanging up. So I will get around to moving that. And the next thing that I will be doing, I will be painting the tin cans. Well, it's not a tin can, but they're considered like a tin can container that holds succulents. So they're round. I will be hanging those up over here, but I will be painting them first. So that will be the next video that I make. Hold on for just a second and I'll show you those cans. Okay, here are the tin cans, you guys, that I was talking about. I had a hard time finding these because they were expensive a lot of places, you know, like $25 to $30 something or more. I looked up and I found these on clearance from Michael's, and I ended up paying like $7 for these. So I got a deal on those. I do not like the color of them because it does not go with what I'm trying to do. I consider this more of a farmhouse style that look, and that's not what I want. So I'm going to paint these black. I'm going to leave the natural wood. I start to paint them gold. Tell me what you think. Should I paint these gold or should I leave the natural wood color? I was thinking about leaving the natural wood color, but I'm not for sure. So let me know what you think. These are some of the succulents that I will be putting in there once I get them painted. I do have one other hanging succulent that I don't have out here to show you, but you will see the finished product after I paint those. I will be showing you how I apply the foam, the dry foam in there, and then I'll just stick in my succulents, and I can cover it with some of that moss that you can get tan or you can get the green one, but I'm going to use the tan one because I have so much greenery out here on the patio. So I'm going to use the tan one once I get it all together. So stay tuned, you guys, for the next video. I will be painting those tin cans. So until the next time, you guys.